Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your skills with Coursera step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Coursera website at www.coursera.org. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the layout and available courses. Use the search bar to find specific skills or subjects you wish to upgrade. Filter results by categories, such as popular, beginner, or advanced courses. Click on a course title that interests you to view more details. Review the course description, including the syllabus and required prerequisites. Check the instructor's credentials to ensure quality. Look for user reviews and ratings to gauge the course effectiveness. Assess the time commitment required for the course to fit it into your schedule. If you find a course that suits your needs, click the Enroll button. Choose whether you want to audit the course for free or purchase it for a certificate. Complete the payment process if you opted for the paid version. Once enrolled, navigate to your course dashboard to access course materials. Begin by watching the introductory video to understand the course objectives. Set a personal schedule to keep track of deadlines and assignments. Engage with interactive quizzes and activities to reinforce your learning. Take notes while you learn to help retain information. Utilize discussion forums to ask questions and share insights with peers. Complete assessments to test your knowledge as you progress. Keep an eye on the progress tracker to stay motivated. Once you finish, download your certificate of completion. Consider sharing your achievement on your professional profiles. Look for additional courses to further enhance your skills. Continue learning to keep your skills up to date. Reflect on your new skills and how they can be applied in your career. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.